After a lot of anticipation and many leaks, Samsung is nearly ready to officially unveil the Galaxy F55. This upcoming mid-range phone has been a hot topic, and now we've got leaked images showing off what it looks like in various colors. It seems the design is similar to its predecessor, the Galaxy F54, but with a notable upgrade: a metal frame instead of plastic, giving it a more premium feel. This new design includes a glass back with Samsung's newest design approach, the Key Island, first seen on the Galaxy F5 series last year. The F55's sides are accentuated with a distinct frame around the buttons, adding to its sleek look. Available colors seen in the leaks are black, blue, and white, with hints at possibly more options at launch. Under the hood, the Galaxy F55 promises a significant performance leap, thanks to the Exynos 1480 chipset, which could be a game-changer for mid-range phones, especially for gaming because of its AMD RDNA 2-based GPU. For camera enthusiasts, the F55 is equipped with a 50 megapixels main camera, a 12 MP ultrawide, a 5 megapixels macro, and a 32 megapixels selfie camera. It also comes with a hefty 5000 mAh battery supporting 25W fast charging. On the software side, it will run Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6.1 out of the box. However, it's still up in the air if it will include some of the advanced AI features or promise up to 7 years of OS updates like the Galaxy S24. Thanks for tuning into this video, and if you liked what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Peace out.